Welcome to my channel. Today we discussed about the problems on f of d into y is equal to e power ax into v, where v is equal to sin ax or cos ax, part 6.1. Coming to the problem, solve d power 4 minus 1 into y is equal to e power x into cos x. The problem is in operator form. Therefore, write the auxiliary equation f of m equal to 0, m power 4 minus 1 equal 0. For this type of problems, easily you can write m power 4 in the form of m square whole square minus 1 can be written as 1 square. It is in the form of a square minus b square. It can be written as a plus b into a minus b, where a is equal to m square, b is equal to 1. Therefore, m square plus 1 into m square minus 1 equal to 0 is the form of the m power 4 minus 1. First factor is m square plus 1 equal to 0. Second factor is m square is equal to 1. Therefore, m is equal to root minus 1, m is equal to root 1. Root minus 1, that means I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, root minus 1 equal to plus or minus I. M equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore, the roots are plus or minus I, 1, minus 1. First one is complex form a plus or minus ib. Second one is m1, m2 different. Therefore, real value is a, that is 0. Imaginary value is b, that is 1. m1 is equal to 1, m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, the roots are complex and unequal. Complementary function equal to e power ax into c1 cos bx plus or minus c2 sin bx for complex, c3 into e power m1x plus c4 into e power m2x for unequal. Therefore, here real value is 0, imaginary b value is 1, m1 is equal to 1, m2 equal to minus 1. We get the complementary function. Coming to the particular integral, e power x into cos x by d power 4 minus 1. Before taking the e power x, it can be written as e power x into cos x by, similarly you can write d power 2 plus 1 into d power 2 minus 1 for easy calculation. Okay, minus 1. Here a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, over. Here you can see, that means d power 4 minus 1 equal to d square whole square minus 1 square, d square plus 1 into d square minus 1. To take e power x out, put d is equal to d plus 1, that is coefficient of 1 is 1, coefficient of x is 1, therefore put d is equal to d plus 1 in f of d, that means in denominator. E power x is out, cos x by d plus 1 whole square plus 1, d plus 1 whole square minus 1. You can simplify it. E power x into cos x by, denominator is a square plus 2ab plus b square plus 1, a square plus 2ab plus b square, a plus b whole square. Similarly, a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 1. 1 gets cancelled. That is equal to, that simplified terms are cos x by d square plus 2d plus 2 into d square plus 2d. What is the cos x rule? First we have to calculate the coefficient of x, that is coefficient of x is a is equal to 1, a square is equal to 1, put d square is equal to minus a square, that is equal to minus 1, that is equal to e power x is out, cos x by d square value is minus 1 plus 2d plus 2 into d square value is minus 1 plus 2d. Here you can see d square value is minus 1 plus 2d plus 2, d square value is minus 1 plus 2d. Okay, next you can simplify it. What happened? E power x into cos x by The first term is 2d plus 1, second term is 2d minus 1. Again it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Therefore e power x into cos x by 2d whole square minus 1 square. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. E power x into cos x by 4d square minus 1. Here you can put d square is equal to minus 1. E power x into cos x by 4 into minus 1 minus 1. What is 4 into minus 1? E power x into cos x by minus 4 minus 1. E power x into cos x by minus 5 is pi. Therefore solution y is equal to combination of complementary function plus particular integral. Y is equal to, what is the roots? c1 cos x plus or minus c2 sin x, imaginary value is 1, plus c3 into e power x, c4 into e power minus x, minus e power x into cos x by 5 is the complete solution for the problem. Okay, here you can see this is complementary function and it is particular integral. This is the d power 4 minus 1 problem. Next come to the problem number 12. D square plus 2 into y equal to e power x into cos x. Here also the problem is in operator form. Write the auxiliary equation. The roots are plus or minus I root 2. Therefore the roots are complex. Therefore c1 e power ax into c1 cos bx plus or minus c2 sin bx, that is equal to e power 0x into c1 cos root 2x plus or minus c2 sin root 2x. Therefore pi is equal to take out e power x out because it is in product, to take out e power x, to take out e power x, put d is equal to d plus 1 in f of d, that is equal to e power x into cos x by d plus 1 whole square plus 2, that is equal to e power x into cos x by d square plus 2d plus 1 plus 2. A square plus 2ab plus b square is d square plus 2d plus 1, that is equal to e power x into cos x by d square plus 2d plus 3. Here you can see what is the rule. A is equal to 1, a square is equal to 1, put d square is equal to minus a square, that is equal to minus 1, that is equal to e power x into cos x by minus 1 plus 2d plus 3. It is e power x cos x by 2d plus 2. E power x by 2 is common, cos x by d plus 1. Here you can see multiply nr and dr with d minus 1 to get d square in denominator. Therefore e power x by 2 into d minus 1 into cos x by d minus 1 into d plus 1. Denominator is a minus b into a plus b. Therefore e power x by 2 into d minus 1 into cos x by d square minus 1. A plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square, that you know. Where put d square is equal to minus 1 in denominator. E power x by 2 into d of cos x minus cos x by minus 1 minus 1. E power x by 2 into minus sin x minus cos x, because derivative of cos x is minus sin x, by minus 2. Both minus common and cancel. E power x by 4 into sin x plus cos x is pi. Solution is y is equal to cf plus pi, that is equal to e to the power of 0x is 1, that means 1. C1 cos root 2x plus or minus C1 C2 sin root 2x plus e power x by 4 cos sin x plus cos x is the complete solution of the problem. Okay, next come to the problem number 13. Here you can see solve d power 3 minus 7d square plus 14d minus 18 to y equal to e power x into cos 2x. Therefore, first it is in operator form. Therefore, write the auxiliary equation. It is m power 3, that is third order. Here you can see m power 3 coefficient is 1, m square coefficient is minus 7, m coefficient is 14, constant is minus 18. Try by 1. You get 0, therefore m is equal to 1, then reduces to the equation m square, m constant, it is quadratic form. You can comparing with the quadratic formula, then you get the roots of the equation 4 comma 2, 1 comma 2 comma 4, that is m1 comma m2 comma m3. It is as usual, the roots are real and unequal, therefore c1 e power m1x, c2 e power m2x plus c3 e power m3x, where m1 equal to 1, m2 equal to 2, m3 equal to 4. Coming to the PI, e power x into cos 2x, it is product, that you have to remember. To take out e power x out, put d is equal to d plus 1 in f of d. In f of d. Here, the form is e power x out cos 2x by d plus 1 whole power 3 minus 7 into d plus 1 whole square plus 14 into d plus 1 minus 8. It is in the form of a plus b whole power 3 is equal to a power 3 plus 3a square b plus 3ab square 3ab square plus b power 3. Coming to the first factor, d power 3 plus 3d square plus 3d plus 1 plus 1. Second one, minus 7 into a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is minus 7d square minus 14d minus 7. 14d plus 14 minus 8. That on simplification we get d power 3 minus 4d square plus 3d. What is the rule for cos x? Here you can see for cos x rule is a is equal to 1, a square is equal to 1, put d square equal to minus a square, that is minus 1. D power 3 can be written as d power 2 into d minus 4d square plus 3d. Put d square equal to minus 1, that is minus d minus of 4 into minus 1 plus 3d. You can simplify it. Plus 3d minus d is 2d, minus into minus is plus 4. You can take 2 common, cos x by d plus 2. For getting the d square in denominator, multiply the numerator and denominator with d minus 2. Therefore, d minus 2 into cos x by d minus 2 into d plus 2, e power x by 2 into d minus 2 cos x by d square minus 4. Here you can see, put a square is equal to minus 4 in denominator. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x minus 2 cos x by minus 8. Therefore, PI is e power x by 16 into sin x plus 2 cos x. The combination of complementary function plus particular integral is the solution of the given problem. Coming to the problem number 14, solve d power 2y by dx square minus 6 into dy by dx plus 13y is equal to 18 d power 3x into sin 2x. It is also similar problem. First write the operator form. Operator form is d square minus 6d plus 13 into y equal to 18 d power 3x into sin 2x. Then you go for the auxiliary equation. It is in quadratic form. Write the formula for quadratic form. Substitute the values of a, b, c. You get the roots c plus or minus 2i, that is complex roots, e power x into c1 cos bx plus or minus c2 sin bx, where a is equal to 3, b is equal to 2, get the complementary function. Coming to the particular integral, 8 into e power 3x into sin 2a, it is a product. Therefore, to take out e power 3x, put d is equal to d plus 3, that is coefficient of x is 3. Therefore, put d is equal to d plus 3 in denominator. 8 into e power 3x sin 2x by d plus 3 whole square minus 6 into d plus 3 plus 13. Here you can see a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. A square means d square. 2 into 3 is 6d plus 3 square is 9. Next remaining you can simplify. 8 into e power 3x into sin 2x by d square plus 4. Here you can put d square equal to minus 4. You get 0 is not defined. What is the rule for 0 case? sin ax by d square plus a square equal to minus x by 2a into cos ax, where a is equal to 2. Therefore, for this one, for 0 case, for sin 2x by d square plus 4 is minus x by 2 into cos 2x. Therefore, 4 ones are 4 twos are. Y is equal to CF plus PI 3 e power 3x into C1 cos 2x plus or minus C2 sin 2x minus, after cancelling, minus 2x into e power 3x into cos 2x is the complete solution of the problem. Coming to the 15th one, it is a special case of the problem. Only evaluate or find, like this. The problem is evaluate 1 by d minus 5 whole power 3 into e power 5x into sin x. Clearly it is related to only PA. No, you don't go for the complementary function. Therefore, PA is equal to, or otherwise for evaluating this problem we can proceed like this. 1 by d minus 5 whole power 3 into e power 5x into sin x. Here you can see e power 5x into sin x is product. Therefore, to take out e power 5x, put d is equal to d plus 5 in f of d. Therefore, d plus 5 minus 5 into d power 3. Therefore, sin x by d power 3. D power 3 can be written as d square into d. Put a is equal to 1, a square equal to 1, put d square equal to minus 1 in f of d. Sin x by minus d. Therefore, for getting the d square in denominator, multiply numerator and denominator with d. Therefore, d of sin x by d square, that is d square is minus 1. D of sin x means cos x. Therefore, minus into minus is plus. Therefore, the final solution, the final evaluation value is e power 5x into cos x is the evaluation of the problem. This is about the today's session. Okay, bye.